crusty. Is now off. Look at this thing. Alrighty guys, last time you saw us servicing the 2 litre, we did an oil change and replaced the brake booster hose, and currently we're on the way driving towards Sydney area to pick up something pretty exciting for the GCI. We're about an hour and a half off now, but if you want to see what we're picking up today, stay tuned, but let's keep driving. We've just stopped over at Westfield. We're about 10:15 from the area. We're going to be picking up what we came for. Just gonna grab some food, eh?
Yeah, there's some food.
I'm hungry. Yeah, we've been driving for like 4 hours now. Crazy. Hopefully it's worth it. Let's go get some food though.
This shit's stacked up. Hey. Got some chibis.
Let's dig in. Alrighty guys, we're here after a long drive. We came all the way. I had to get my hands dirty because we had to end up pulling this out of a GCI, but this is the new donor motor for the GCI in the meantime. I just don't want to have to deal with the issues that the GCI motor is currently having. So I'm buying another motor. I'm going to put it in the back of the 2 litre over here and take it 4 hours back home, just like we did with the Civic. But yeah, I mean, this is a GCI that my mate had, and he's just pulled the gearbox out for his GCI, and I'm taking the motor. So I guess it's a win-win, and then we can throw a new motor into the GCI, new gearbox, just get everything sorted, get that thing driving and have it mint. So I'm pretty excited about it. Let's get this engine into the back of the 2 litre though. Ready?
Yep.
Good job guys.
Down on this side of it. Drive in the phone. The gin.
We're doing it. I mean, it's in the back of the car. Thanks, bro.
All good.
We did it. Good job.
You want to whack a strap around?
We got a motor, guys. Let's go. Alrighty, so we've got the motor now, and honestly, it doesn't feel like there's really much in the back, eh? Like it's barely any weight, to be honest, and it feels just like normal. If anything, it actually handles better with the weight in the back of the car as well. We got that 50-50 weight distribution now. But yeah, no, it drives really good, nice and comfortable. It accelerates with no issue, so this is a solid work truck, to be honest. We're just cruising. We've got a long drive though. We're 3 hours 45 away from home, so, and then we can get to the shed and pull it out and have a look at this motor. Alright, just pulling up at the servo. We got nearly an empty tank and we're about 2 hours away from home, so I'm going to quickly fill up get some fuel. How you doing, Harley?
Good.
And chilling. 235. Damn. Expensive gas. But yeah. No, the car feels really good. I mean, the motor's still there, right? Surely. Yep, still definitely there. He gave us this pop filter. I mean, I don't think I'll probably use it, but I think it would be funny to just throw it on the 2-liter, eh? But the car is not really slammed. That quarter panel damage gets me every time. But honestly, this thing handles pretty well. It's not bouncy or anything like that. It feels good. So I'm pretty happy with how the car's going at the moment. We'll fuel up and get back on the road. I think that's pretty much it. I only need about 20 liters to get back home, honestly. Probably will have tons more. This thing is absolutely an economy beast. This thing's doing really well. I'm pretty happy with this purchase. So we definitely need to do a coolant flush when we get back home, but otherwise, not a bad car. Let's get back on the road.
Back up a weird.
Just pulled over to stretch our legs. The 2-liter is doing tremendously, but goddamn, look at this view. A car. This is sketch. Yeah, I'll try not to.
There is the car door.
Oh, what? I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a car just down there. Somebody must have fallen all the way off, all the way down. That would have been scary, bro. Unless they weren't in the car, but
You can literally see a sign down there as well.
you've been having a good day, Harley?
Hell yeah.
You've been
great
chilling?
day.
It's actually been not too bad. For an 8-hour drive back, it's been pretty good. I'm gonna try not to fall here, but look at that. So gorgeous. I don't know, I think today's been pretty successful. We picked up a motor for $300. I mean, we've had a good drive. The traffic hasn't been too good on the way back, but I don't know. All right, let's get back on the road and keep driving. We still got at least an hour and a half back home, so. But it was good to stop over and have a look at that nice view. Smells like fuel in here.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
This man wobbling the car about.
What are you talking about?
Alrighty, so we are about 40 minutes away from home now. It's been a good day. I think it's been successful. We've gotten away with our motor that we can eventually put into the GTI. After about 8.5 hours drive, I'm pretty tired, so we'll probably pick up tomorrow and we're gonna have a look inside the motor to see if it's good, but I do have proof that it was running before we pulled it out, so I'm pretty happy about that. So it shouldn't have any issues and we can eventually get this GTI running good. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow when we're stripping the motor. Alrighty guys, it is the next day, and as I said before, this motor here is the new pickup for the GTI. You guys may have seen in the previous videos that we pulled out a small piece of metal out of the sump on the GTI, and for me personally, after all the work that's been done to this and now having issues with it, I just can't trust it anymore. So we got a new motor, and previously when we picked up this motor for the S3 build, this only has 60,000 kilometers on it, and we also got the gearbox with it as well. And luckily that's an O2J that'll bolt right up onto this thing, and we'll be able to throw it straight into the GTI. So we'll have a fresh motor, a fresh gearbox, and a fresh drivetrain for the GTI, and that should make it driving again. That way we can get on to doing the sanding, getting it resprayed, put it on bags, and we can finally get this thing looking how I've wanted it for 4 years now. So I'm pretty happy and excited about this. We're gonna have to clean this up in the next video. So if you guys wanna be there for that, make sure to subscribe down below and let me know what your favorite part of the video was down below in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.